Okay, so we're in this other taxi going somewhere else. I know, look, they put like plastic wrap on this. Interesting. So it stays clean. People don't throw up on it or something. I don't know. I don't know how you throw up on this. Maybe if you're holding a drink and it bounces. Look how that garage. That's so cool. That's cool. That's how it goes up. I want a garage like that. It's so quiet too. It's just slow though. Got one of our relatives, and look at that. So nice. Okay, so we're going somewhere to eat. Not sure where, but this place looks very nice and fancy. City, Van Phu City. There's a restaurant there, open to noon. Can't see what the other one is. Looks like we're gonna be eating some fresh seafood.
I love this.
Look at that. Oh, look at that giant crab. Some more crabs in here. Lots of these crabs. Look at these octopus guys. Look at I'm surprised they don't like climb out. I thought, oh, this one, look, this one's trying to get away. Catfish. That carps. Yeah, what are these? Sturgeons or something? I don't know what they're called. Those guys. Whoa, these ones are so fast. These little guys so fast.
One story told them to keep on moving, we just keep on moving.
And some big shrimps, but not much left. That giant snail. A humongous snail. Oh, some big shrimps up here. More of these, like tiger shrimps. Okay. Whoa, look at these big clams. Some snails, geoducks. Even those guys. Okay, they made like this homemade wine. It's not a strong alcohol, but take the snail. If it has this thing, you peel that off. Then you use a little pokey skewer stick. Let's zoom out. Poke it. Slowly lift it up.
This thing out of its shell.
And you end up with the snail like this. Uh-oh, some of it went back in, but there you go. We got this. It's like a lemon, salt, pepper. And I don't know what this green thing is. You dip it in there. Good. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. It looks kind of like a fried sweet and sour thing.
It's like a pork rind.
Pork rind. Nice and sweet. Got this giant shrimp. So you take the lid off. It's hot though. About like that. Look at this. I don't know how you can rip this piece off. So you can take these off like this. You gotta take its armor off.
Well, it even has some meat inside of its head.
Yeah, just like you.
Take the nails off. Oh, sorry, my camera doesn't zoom out far enough, but you basically peel them out from the bottom. It comes out like this. It's the biggest shrimp I've ever seen. The shrimp attacked him. Okay, so here you go. Looks like this. can see the swimming. Okay. So here we go. We got this giant shrimp. I don't know if we got a sauce for it, but I'm gonna just break some off and try it. We got this shrimp. Looks like that. Ooh. Take off that whole part. Good. Even the horn has some meat in there. Even the horn has some meat. More plants. This area, they have a lot of stores that sell plants. Another one. They also have a lot of these car repair places. Lots of banana trees all along this road. Wow. Entire road of banana trees. More banana trees. There's a lot of banana trees all over here. Down there. They tore down some building there, it looks like. Will be English. All these banana trees. Just like a bundle every few little bit. More banana trees. Whoa. Ooh, what are those? Yeah, those little butcher shops out there, just like that. All these fruits and veggies. And clothes. Some cooked feed. Delivery. Just put a whole bunch of little packages in that crate on the back of their bike. Look, even this bus is like squeezing through. What the? Another plant shop. More car repairs. That's how they water the plants in the middle of the road. You have a big truck just watering it over there. Look how they water the plants. They just have a big truck doing it. This is like a little San Francisco. All these tall buildings. So nice. What's she talking about? These stairs are normal. What's she talking about? These stairs are normal.